Since the time of the Founding Fathers, dark forces have been preying on America. As the fight against these vampires continued, a secret organization has trained people with remarkable skills. The agent's duty is to protect ordinary people from the forces of evil.
While we're on the dynamite, Chester will be none too chatty with his guts sprayed all over a train carriage.
I know how to shape an explosion, Edgar.
It's coming. Wait for it.
Harrow's not gonna be happy about the bridge.
Harrow can suck my dick. He's the Secretary of War, not the Secretary of Bridges. Let's go have a look-see. I go high.
Nah, it's not that bad.
God damn it, that hurt!
Let's give it a try.
What's that sound? Stop whining! Start moving! You smell that? Shit! Let's go!
Amateurs. Finders keepers. Born 1857, 1864, all dead. Fuck. Boy, you better make all this worth our time, Chester. Gotta cross the river somehow. Wing it! This would be a bad time for this thing to collapse. More ticks.
Looks like you could use a hand. Playing around Watch out, Jeff! What are you waiting for? Move!
Dog might pay for sure. I'm taking it. Jesus. Christ. Worst damn barbecue ever.
Hey, boyo, guess who's riding in first class and responsible for the biggest delivery in gathering history? Remember when the dream of attending the gathering was just that? Wishful thinking. But I am on my way, soon to be hobnobbing with the creme de la creme. The oldest, the wisest, the most powerful. This is where it begins. If I play this right, in 100 years, I'll be the one being catered to by human douchebags like you. That's it for now. I must bid you adieu. There's still much to do, and I can't louse this up. Yours truly, Chester, the Catering King.
Now that's what I call a game.
Welcome to America, dipshit!
I bet one good punch could get me through. Got through. Okay, let's dance. Okay. I can smell you, Chess, you lousy skunk. More money. Come here.
Mind if I join you?
All right, Chester. Now I'm pissed.
Then let's get that son of a bitch!
Young rentier. Still on your father's leash, I see.
Heard you were on your way to the gathering, Chess. What's this? Catering?
Why, I have no idea what you're...
That big shiny ball out there is no good for your sensitive skin.
The sun's not to know what they'll do to me.
Fun game. Let's test that theory.
No, Richard, stop! Belmontville! The gathering's in Belmontville!
Excellent choice, Chester. And since you're feeling so damn helpful, we're gonna be needing a guide. Consider it a promotion. Dipshit.
Belmontville's a long way from the manor. We're on a clock here.
We've been hunting Debano for 3 months. What's another few hours?
Have it your way. But your father's gonna have your ass as an ashtray if we don't make that presentation.
You're retired. What's he gonna do? Fire you?